Umsning Umsning Dr. Celestin nengdo olah Pynhieng kemut yom teng ba kejelau Conrad kisang ma da kebiaro teng ba tangah po sau Bnai ba wan yu kejat ha Umsning gijing kejidun kam jong poj ba kila ulong. Habakran kejilang mendak sengi ha Umsning ribu distrik hak baladon lang ru Conrad u Dr. Celestin laong ba nadu ba wan yu kejat u Conrad ha naiwing mentak la long sau Bnai kenti gijidun kam upaj ba kila ulong. Laong ba kasinong Umsning rayo ika street light rayo ika mini stadium rayo ru ika watla ompat long bapura. Hak ni kesengi Conrad wala play yau mau nong rim ke mini stadium nang ta ya ke project aspaya hak sinong ha Umsning. Hak program la don lang ru MLA ke nong po ba merel bon se mu menteri ketat nong kendong ba sotna sotun ke MDC ke nong po kongrona kendai lagoi pat. Kentup ru girang ba sinong ba kinong kitkam sinong ke Umsning bat ging sinong hak tai katai.
Sir, today, in every heart, in every thought, and on every lips of the people of Umsning, the only word that comes to the mind is thank you. Thank you because when you visited us on the 27th of November last year, it was exactly 4 months ago. And in these 4 months, the mini stadium has materialized. In these 4 months, the solar street lighting for Umsning town has been completed. In these 4 months, the water problem that we face has been solved partially and little bit is still left.